Our 8th misconception, the mortgage payment is just the loan principal and the interest. So we kind of talked about with these online calculators. A lot of times these online calculators only show you the principal and the interest, and maybe that's where the misconception comes from. Like it's more than just principal and interest.
Yeah, so it's required by most lenders, especially with lower down payments. Your mortgage payment is not going to just have your principal and interest. It will have your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. These taxes and insurance are called, you'll hear this, it's kind of like this word you'll hear frequently if you're looking at a house, if you've owned a home, is your escrow account. So your lender will take these taxes and insurance, you're talking about your homeowner's insurance, and they will put this money, you'll pay it every month, and it will sit in a different bucket. And this bucket then at the end of the year goes and pays your homeowner's insurance bill, and it pays your tax bill. It's required by lenders, like I said. Sometimes you're able to opt out of an escrow account and you can just pay those bills by yourself.
Which I don't suggest.
Yeah, I was going to say people forget to pay them. And again, having this lump sum payment of hitch of a $4,000 tax bill at the end of the year, you know, they're doing October, November.
Yeah.
And guess what? It's also Christmas, and you are doing all these other things.
You just had that medical emergency.
And if you don't pay this tax bill, your house can be foreclosed on.
Yeah.
Right? So it's easier where you're paying a couple $100 a month into this. Your lender is taking care of it. They're paying your insurance company. They're paying the county for your taxes. But yeah, so that it's called PITI. That's your whole payment. You'll also have a homeowner's, depending on if you're in an HOA, you'll have a homeowners association due as well. That does not get paid by your lender, but it is included in your debt to income ratio. So if you are looking at a house with an HOA, your PITI, we also include your homeowners association.
HOA fees. Gotta love those HOAs.
Yep. So we'll throw that into that number as well. Again, your lender doesn't pay it for you, but I include that when I'm saying your mortgage is going to cost you $3,800 a month. I'm including your homeowners association fees.
And to kind of piggyback off that HOA thing too, is like, you know, single family homes a lot of times don't have the HOAs. Townhomes, condos have those HOAs. So your qualifications for the loan amount will be different versus a townhome and condo versus a single family, because now we've got to add those HOA fees into it.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially with condos. Condos are notorious for having very expensive HOAs, which isn't a bad thing. A lot of times they're providing services. And your insurance, usually your HOA, if you have a larger HOA fee, a lot of times it's covering the bulk of your homeowner's insurance as well. So your homeowner's insurance policy is going to be significantly less expensive if it's wrapped into your HOA. Condos, it's wrapped in. That doesn't mean you're not going to have like a little separate policy, but that's something to just be aware of because it will change your...
Yeah, and there's different HOA fees. I've seen $20 monthly HOA fees, and I've seen $300 monthly HOA fees. And depending on what those cover, it can cover, like the $20 one was just to maintain the walkway, the hiking
trail
walkways,
or something.
Whereas the $300 one, you're getting water, sewer, garbage pickup, snow removal, outside maintenance, landscaping. Sometimes you get internet or cable is included in that HOA. So again, each HOA is different. It's not necessarily a bad thing.
Yeah, so
clubhouses, courts, swimming pools, again, depends on
fitness
HOA.
centers. Yeah, so it depends. Like, if you see this huge HOA payment and you're like, oh, I don't want to be there, see what it covers. Because a lot of times it has good things.
Talk to your agent with that one. Your agent will figure that out for you. Title companies are good at also pulling the HOA and finding out what's going on with the HOA. So I was going to say, with that one, just the principal and interest, I hear this all the time from my buyers. When we get to even at the closing table, they'll see that, okay, this is your insurance and this is your taxes. Oh, do I need to make those payments too? Even at the closing table, and that might be my fault. I don't educate my buyers enough, and I do sometimes. Sorry, I do sometimes. I've done this so many times. Sometimes I gotta remember, buyers aren't. This is their first time. Yeah, they've never done this.
Yeah, if you haven't done it, it's a lot. Just
so I hear that all the time. All right, next one. Number 9.